If I was to ask you what do secret agents do, the answer would be that it's a secret. Secret agents do secret things. Or what about special agents? Well, again, special agents do special things. So maybe special things within the police or the army, they are your special agents. Or cleaning agents clean things. So in terms of redox, we're going to say that if we have an oxidizing agent, the oxidizing agents are something which will oxidize something, whereas a reducing agent will reduce something. So let's look at oxidizing agents, oxidizing things first. Here I have methane, and methane is reacting with oxygen to give me carbon dioxide and water. So the methane gains oxygen, so the methane has been oxidized. Well, what caused it to be oxidized? Well, that's our oxygen. So we would say that our oxygen is the oxidizing agent. Now, if we look at this even closer, we can see that the oxygen actually will gain hydrogen. And we know that when something gains hydrogen, that is reduction. So the oxygen here has actually been reduced, and that's common. And what you will find is that oxidizing agents are reduced in a reaction. Now, what about reducing agents? So we said that reducing agents reduce things. So what's happened in this equation here? Well, the iron oxide goes from Fe2O3 across to just Fe. So the iron oxide has lost oxygen. And we know that the loss of oxygen is reduction. So my iron oxide has been reduced. What did it react with? So it became reduced, or what caused it to be reduced? Well, the answer is my carbon monoxide. So that makes carbon monoxide my reducing agent. Again, if we look closer, the carbon monoxide goes from CO to CO2. So carbon monoxide has gained oxygen. We know that the gain of oxygen is oxidation. So my reducing agent has been oxidized. We find that reducing agents are oxidized in a reaction. So there are a lot of opposites that you need to get your head around here. Oxidizing agents oxidize things or cause things to become oxidized. That means that oxidizing agents will be reduced in a reaction. Reducing agents will reduce things, so they will react with something and it will reduce as a result. But a reducing agent then will be oxidized in a reaction. It takes a little bit of thought to get your head around that and make sure you don't get all the opposites which are there mixed up. So oxidizing agents will oxidize things, but oxidizing agents then are reduced in a reaction. A reducing agent will reduce something, and therefore reducing agents are oxidized in a reaction.